So, Alicia.
Yeah.
I hate Valentine's Day.
There's too much pink.
There's too much pink.
It's a lot of pink. It gets annoying.
My hair's pink.
Well,
You know,
it's different. It's not all over pink. It's like grayish, brownish, greenish, and indigo. And I like the indigo.
okay. Well, I fucking hate Valentine's Day because if you think about it, it only gives fat people a reason to sit there and cry and whine and watch some soap operas and eat some fucking chocolate and be like, oh my god, chocolate. That gives them a reason to go in the fucking chocolate section and be like, oh my god, I'm gonna take this for my Valentine, this and this and this and this and this, and then when their Valentine's like, oh yeah, I got a prettier, skinnier, cute girlfriend.
Nothing says I love you like cheap chocolate.
Isn't that right? Like how it's
Stupid
just...
fat people are gonna be sitting there. No, no, don't kill Romeo.
Exactly, man. Thank you for fucking understanding. Man, if you think about it, it really is like that though. Like that's what happened to me last year. It's like, oh, you're gonna be my Valentine for one whole day, Alicia. I fucking love you for this one whole day.
Oh, that's amazing.
Don't let me go. Don't leave me ever. And then like the next day comes, the 15th, and everyone's just like, fuck you.
So
I fucking hate you. I fucking hate you. You broke my fucking heart yesterday. I saw you kiss Jermaine. I saw you.
What?
I saw you fucking do that to me. I hate you. Get the fuck out of my life. And then the next day, and then the next day. Oh my god, just forgive me. I love you. I was kidding. I mean, I forgot my sock. Goodbye.